If your business has been in existence for over 10 years, you are in the maturity stage. Only about 30% of firms make it this far. You've beaten some tough odds. But this is where you decide if you want to thrive for another decade or become a cautionary tale. Maturity is a crossroads with three paths. The first is sustained momentum. These are the companies that stayed hungry even when they were well fed. They built a BOS that actually works, not fancy org charts and vague policy manuals, but real operating systems that helps them adapt, innovate, and stay ahead. The founder leads strategy and the COO runs execution, like in Wickman and Winter's rocket fuel. The second is stagnation. This is where a lot of good businesses slowly die. Everything looks fine on the surface, profitable, customers happy enough, employees showing up, but underneath, things aren't clicking. The founder is still heavily involved in daily operations, people in the wrong roles, systems held together with duct tape and good intentions, and innovation happening about as often as leap years. Stagnant businesses can be gold mines for the right buyer since founder-dependent businesses sell at a discount. The third is decline. These are the businesses that refuse to acknowledge the world changed while they weren't looking. They kept doing what worked 5 years ago. Market share shrinks, top talent leaves, and eventually, closing doors or selling for whatever they can get. The latter two paths are totally preventable. Right systems, right leadership, that's it. You already know which path you're on. If it's not sustained momentum, my question is, what are you going to do about it? Start with the fit assessment on my website below. I'll tell you straight whether BOS Playbook is your answer or not. Also, hit subscribe. I drop new content every week.